Hey guys, and welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name is Ryan. I'm a front end developer, and this channel is pretty much going to be teaching you guys how to code. Um, Front end, you really want to learn pretty much HTML, CSS, JavaScript, uh, some JavaScript libraries like jQuery and Ajax and Angular and all that fun stuff. A lot of people are using Ruby on Rails. I still need to learn that, so I'm not going to be teaching you guys that, but I'm going to teach you like pretty much the basics of what you need to know to be a front end developer. So let's get started. Today I'm going to teach you guys the basics of HTML. So what is HTML? HTML it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Um, a markup language is just a set of tags, markup tags, and yeah, HTML is not case sensitive, so you don't have to worry about that. And yeah, so this is the text editor that I'm using for my Google Chromebook. I'm probably going to get a new computer, but so let's start with the basics. So when you start off an HTML file, you want to start with making the tag doc type HTML. So how you do that is back arrow, exclamation point. You do doc type all capital letters, you do HTML and forward tags. So then you do, next step is writing the HTML tags. So that's how you start an HTML tag right there. And then that's how you end it. Pretty simple. So starter, you do back arrow HTML and forward arrow, and then it'll come up. If you have a good text editor, the end tag will come up as back arrow forward slash HTML, and then the forward slash arrow. So you do space, blah, blah, blah. Then you want to do head tags. So and that's where you're going to keep all your meta tags, your title of your website, your links to your style sheets, like your CSS. I'll teach you guys that in a later course or later video. So next step I would do is to write your title, title tag, and then we can name it Learning HTML Basics. And then you could put you could do meta char set equals UTF-8. That's your screen and all that. And then obviously you're not going to learn CSS, but in this video, but I'm still going to put the link. So you do a link relation equals style sheet. You do href and do style dot css. Obviously, it doesn't have to be style CSS. It could be anything CSS, but I normally just keep it style CSS to keep it simple. And as you can see that, the meta tag in the link, they don't have like what you see with the HTML tags and the head tags because you don't need that. I mean, I don't know why, but that's just how it is. So yeah, so next tags we need is the body tag. So you do body, that'll come up, space, and then now we can teach you. Right, so I'm going to teach you guys how to write "Hello World." That's usually how everybody learns, coding and all that. So what we do is you can start off as H1 and just write hello world, exclamation point. And you save that. We'll go to our browser. Let me show you guys how to do that. So when you save it, you save as. All right. So then you go to your folder. You name your folder whatever. I have learning coding. And to open it to a browser, all you have to do is double click it and then it'll pop up. So we have hello world there. The name of the website is Learning HTML Basics. That's where your title tag comes in place. And this is the H1. So that's good there. And what else can you put? You can put a paragraph tag. So paragraph, you just do P. You can say, I am learning the basics of HTML today. That's how you make a paragraph tag. No. Control S to save it. Go back to your Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using and refresh, and it'll pop up. I am learning the basics of HTML today. The next step you can do is a list. So let's do an unordered list. That's just going to be the bullet points. UL tag that's on a list. You make an LI tag, and you can do, let's just do sports, basketball. I'm going to copy and paste that. So I don't have to type everything. We'll do 3 of them, and then we'll do football, and then we'll do baseball. So that's on our list. That's going to just be bullet points. And we go back to our Google Chrome, refresh, and they'll pop up as bullet points. I'm going to make this smaller so I don't have to keep clicking out and going back in. So that's how you do that. You could also do a ordered list. So an order list is just going to be numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, blah, blah, blah. Let's do OL, not a question mark. Oh, and you do the same, LI. You could do the same thing, basketball. Copy and paste that. And then we'll do football and then baseball. That should come up as numbers, and it does. And once we get into CSS, you can learn how to style those bullets. So maybe you don't want bullets there and you just want a list. All you have to do is, I'll show you that. I'll show you that in the CSS video. So those are lists, and then now we can let's do links. So obviously when you make a website, I mean, nowadays websites are sometimes just one-page websites. So, you would still use links, but, use jQuery or JavaScript to make it interactive. So if you make a one-page website and you click on the link, it'll just scroll down to that certain section. But we'll get into that later. I don't want to throw too much at you guys right now. So a link, you make a tag. You do a ref equals, just do the number sign, symbol, close that up, and you could let's just do home. We'll make like what you see on a website, like the nav bar. Control V, Control V, Control V, and then we'll do about, do services. This is pretty much what you would see like on a website for, like a small business, like a landscaping business or house painting or something like that. Control C, Control S for save, refresh, and boom. So I'll give you your links, and you could style those in CSS and all that. And I'll show you right now how to link it to another HTML file. So to do that, we'll click over here, new, we'll do HTML. And see this one, it pops up everything. Oh, that's what I forgot to show you. When we do HTML tag, do the language equals English. So, just the browser knows what language it is and all that. So this one I like because I don't have to keep writing it and writing it every time I make a new HTML file. So this one, we'll name the title Learning HTML Second Page. So we'll save this, and you can make it, we'll just do it second HTML. And that, we'll do our H1 tag. We'll do, this is the second page of my HTML learning, exclamation point. Do save. And then we'll go to here. We'll just go to about, just to show you this. And then what you would do is get rid of the number symbol, and you would do second.html. Save that. Let's go back here. Click about, and it'll bring you to that page. So that's how you use the links to link, pages. You do that for every page. Yeah. So now I'll show you. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much the basics. I mean, obviously there's more. I could show you more, obviously, in other videos. But this is like teaching you the tags and how to link a page to another page, and I'll definitely teach you guys more in the next video. So I'm going to teach you guys CSS, and I'm going to show you guys how to style a website and make it look cool. Like right now, this is just plain. You could do this on a Word document. But my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to style everything, and I'll teach you the basic of CSS and all that fun stuff. And yeah, so I think that's what I'm going to do for the next video. I'm just going to show you how to make maybe half of a website, like the nav bar, how to style nav bar and do all that fun stuff. So that's pretty much the basics of HTML. And yeah, so this is my first video. It's pretty much just an introduction to what I'm going to be teaching you guys and what this channel is going to be about. I just want to teach everybody how to, code and become web developers, front-end web developers, and pretty much help you guys. Like if you have a job that you don't like, or you don't know what you want to do with a career-wise, if you're, still in high school and whatever, teach you guys, coding. It's fun. You can make a lot of money doing this. You can work for people, and while you're working for people, like at a job, you can freelance and make more money. Like there's so many ways to make money in this business. It's crazy. Currently I'm on an internship right now. Probably going to be hired soon, hopefully. And I'm going to be doing freelancing stuff on my own, and I'm going to be doing this YouTube channel. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe for more videos, and and tell me what I can improve on, because I'm not really good at this kind of stuff. Never done this before, and I'm trying something new. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and keep coding.